Alright, we're back with another video. Here we go. So I just finished streaming and I got a couple clips. So I'm like, hey, I gotta make some TikToks. Let me show you guys how to make your TikToks vertical rather than horizontal, because TikTok is a vertical thing. And yeah, so I'm gonna bring you over to my desktop scene and bye. Here we are. Cool, awesome, nice little transition, right? Okay, so once you're here, you're gonna want to go to your browser. So you're gonna want to look up Davinci Resolve. It's actually right here. I've clicked on it before, that's why it's purple. You click on the first link that pops up. You're gonna click download now. Once you download it, it should just make a little thingy down here for a file. And then from there, you're gonna want to open up the app. What's that? Open up the app Davinci Resolve. And it takes a while to open, so I'm gonna teleport that shit and boom, look at it. All right, so as you can see, I got all my clips here, my zombie Easter egg video, which you should check out. It's my most recent video. My Fortnite event video, which you should check out. It's like my second most recent video. All my TikToks, all that shit. So you go to Untitled Project, obviously, to create a new one, and you're gonna go to your files, which I have right here. I got two files, or let's see, I got a file, I believe it's this one. Is that it? No, this one right here. So I got a file ready. You drag it over to your media pool. Let go of that. It's gonna prompt you to change the frame rate. Just hit change. That's okay. Now you're gonna go back to Davinci. You're gonna take the file, drag it down here, right? Then you're gonna take it again and drag it down here. You're only gonna take it a second time if you want your face cam in the video. So if you don't want your face cam in the video, you don't need to worry about it taking it down a second time. So this is what you're gonna want to do. You're gonna want to go up to top left file. From file, you're going to want to go down to project settings. So the first two things you're going to see timeline resolution. Right under that, it's going to say 4/1920 x 1080 processing. You're going to switch to two numbers. There's going to be 4/1080 x 1920 processing, and you got to make sure to save that shit, because I don't, and I always forget, and it makes me upset. So this is where it gets really tricky. You're going to want to select one of the files, the timelines. Not both, just one. I'm gonna go with the top one first. It doesn't matter which step you do first in these next two steps. I like to do this one first though, just to avoid any confusion. So you're gonna want to go over to Fusion at the bottom. So you see this little wand here, you click that, it brings you over to Fusion. This is to get your face cam in. If you don't want to go to your face cam, just skip ahead a little bit. Take this little square, make it about the size of your face cam, and then you just bring it over your face cam. Okay, now that we got that, we're gonna move back over one to the one that's next to the little timeline one. It's just gonna be this one right here. We're gonna move over to that one. We're gonna click on the one that we initially selected, so the top timeline for me. There's gonna be this little square over here. After you click on the timeline, I'm sorry, and it's gonna say transform, crop. I just click transform just to see which one it is and move over a little bit. So you see right. This is why I like to do the first step first. So the face cam, even though I did it at the top one, for whatever reason it registered for the bottom one. I don't know why that happens. So because of that, I like to take that, I just move that out the way, see which one it is, take the one that's for the face cam, and already just move it to the top, right? So we'll take the one that's for the face cam and just transform it out, make sure it's the right size, the right fit, everything fits perfectly. All right, that's cool. There you go. There you go. I kind of want to cut these numbers out just because that's fine. Leave sub goal right there. We'll know. I gotta hit my sub goal. They need a sub. So we're gonna stay in the same page. We're gonna click on the top one. I'm not sure if this is gonna pop up automatically for you or not. If not, while you're in this page right here, this specific page right here, you're gonna want to go over to Inspector. And when you're in Inspector, you just take the you go back and select the opposite one, the one that shows the full gameplay. And you zoom in. I recommend in the 2 range, right? But it's really just whatever fits under your webcam perfectly. So in this case for me, it is 2.230 for me. Now this number, the position number, the first one only, not the second one, because I always mess that up. Just hit 0, enter if you want to center it perfectly, and now it's centered perfectly. So just to avoid doubling up audio, you just want to grab one of these. If they're linked, you just want to hit this link button, but I have mine to just not link automatically. And you just hit delete selected, so it takes away that second audio link, and you move the other one up. And there you go. Your video is now.
Be careful, be careful.
Careful is my fucking middle name, girl. It is my middle name. You know me. Molotov on that bit. Shoot up that bit. Oh,
I still downed him. I don't care.
I don't care.
Okay, I doubt.
All right. There you go. So now your video is vertical. From there, you just got to go to export. Change the format of the video from whatever the heck that is to MP4. If you got subtitles, which you know is weird to add, if you want a video on that, just let me know down in the comments. Subtitles, you're just gonna hit export subtitles, and then you would put them as burning the video. That's what I like to do them as, just so they look good. Advanced settings. If you know what the rest of the settings do, you go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna tell you anything because I don't know. Title that shit. I'm gonna title it helicopter take down, because I took that motherfucker down. All right, so from there we're gonna hit add to render queue. Same title and everything. It's gonna go over here, and you just hit start render, and it renders. And now we wait, but I don't want y'all to wait. I'm just gonna snap y'all in the teleportation like I tried to do last time. I don't know if it really worked. We'll sign out in the video. And boom, you're done. That's all it is. If you guys have any more questions when it comes to like TikTok videos, like adding subtitles, like I said, or just anything else, if I don't know, I will try to figure it out for you guys to make another video on it. And if I already know, I will just make a video on it. Simple as that. That's really it. If you liked what you saw, if this really helped you out, just drop a link in the comments, or drop a like and a comment and a subscription. It really helps support me. If you want to see like these clips that I just made like live, stream on Twitch, the link will be down in the description. My Instagram and my TikTok are also down in the description if you want to check that TikTok out and any of my Instagram stuff out. That's really it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.